Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover Happy Birthday song. I hope you all will love it. And this song is for beginners who are just learning guitar, who have just started to learn guitar. And it will cover three strings: E string, B string and G string. And this is also a very good exercise for beginning level. And whatever exercises I have covered, if you are following these exercises so far, so it will be easy for you to cover this song, because I am going step by step, like step by step. So if you are covering those exercises in a good manner, so you can easily play this maybe within 5 minutes or 10 minutes if I talk about different caliber of like different person. Okay, so let's cover this melody. And also after playing this, I'll edit the video and put the tabs, written tabs here, and also I'll put the written tabs in the WhatsApp group that we are like using. Also I'll also put the audio on our WhatsApp group of this song. So all whatever previous exercises we have covered, I'll just make a notes of all these exercises, and also I'll put all these exercises in our WhatsApp group. You guys can also follow your notes, you can make your notes and you can just follow your notes. Make sure not to miss any sort of basic exercise on a daily basis. It's very important to do exercises on a daily basis for guitar. Okay, so let's cover the song. Okay, let's play it once again. Okay, and also the way I have written notes of this song is like G00, G22, then B11, then E00. It will like if I talk about the meaning of it, so if I when I say G00, it means G string, 0 fret, 0th fret, 0 finger. We are not using any finger, we are not using any fret, it's G open. So G00, E00, anything will be like open. If I talk about G00, it will go like, I'm not using this hand, it would be G00. Okay, now if I say G22, so G22 will be G string, or G string, that is a 1 2 3. From downside we do counting part 1 2 3, or G string, second fret, second 1 2, second fret and second finger. G22 means second fret, second. Now if you can you want to use any other finger, maybe first or second, third, you can, but the way it should, like I'll just suggest you to use all your 4 fingers, because we are so clever when if I talk about basic lessons, we just try to avoid our like little finger to be a part of our basic exercise. So to make it also strong, the way we can play like strings from all other 3 fingers, so we need to make this finger also strong. So to do this, we should follow these kind of exercise. When I say G22, you should focus on G22, that is second fret, second mid finger. Okay, second fret, mid finger. G00, G00, G22, G00, B11, B00. Okay, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Okay, so we should also understand the lyrics part of it. Whatever things we are playing, we should understand that part too. So based on it, we can understand the time gap between each notes we are hitting. Okay, so let's do it for the last time. Okay, okay, so this is very basic song that if you are focusing on, so you can learn it very nicely. That's how it goes. So just play it and also do practice. Don't miss to practice basic exercises that we have covered. And yeah, just that. On also, if you like this video, please subscribe for my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know, I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.